right, guys, we got Olympus DAO. Guys, what is Olympus DAO? DAO is the next passive income generating asset that you could get. Guys, it's the newest, biggest thing. You guys ready? So let me share my screen real quick and let me show you how Olympus can make you a lot of money. I don't want to get into that yet. Pretty much what Olympus is a decentralized bank. Let's read this real quick. Olympus is a building a community-owned decentralized financial infrastructure to bring more stability and transparency for the world. It's pretty much a bank that's owned by the people. Let me take another sip of my McDonald's coffee. Oh, guys, you see that? Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna show you. Oh, no, too much. Guys, the current APY, the annual percentage yielded, guys, if you don't know what APY means, is 8,317. Now, if you don't think that's crazy, if you don't think that's marvelous, comment down below or something. These guys, and make fun of my hair, my current hair now, it's crazy. But guys, pretty much what this is I want to get you into this Olympus, which we just bought 3.7 of this. What you need to know is this is a first decentralized bank is what they're trying to do. And what they did is they set the bank in such a way that when you stake it in, you get money out. Because what it does is it kind of puts it into a liquidity pool, or it puts it in the form, or works similar to bonds, okay? Puts in liquidity pool, and you're actually able to stake it to get money out, kind of get rewarded is what they call it. If you go down to here, how it works, so they put, the treasury revenues, they put it into bonds and liquidity pool fees, bond sales and liquidity pool fees increase treasury revenue, unlocking liquidity to help control own supply. Olympus treasury inflow, and imagine they burn some. Olympus treasury inflow is used to increase treasury balance and then back at sounding Ohm tokens or regularly staking APY. Ohm token compound yields automatically through the treasury backed currency with intrinsic value. So you're staking an Ohm and you're getting that much Ohm staking. So if you go to the actual staking, you click that button right there, it takes over to here. Current Ohm price of $1,000. Looking at the graphs is looking pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, we hop over to, and I'm not gonna try to make this such a long ass video. One more thing over here, if you go to the very top, currently have 90% Ohm stake. That's crazy, guys. 90% of their Ohm is staked. So the coin Gecko, let's check out Olympus real quick, and let's check out Olympus staked. Actually, I don't think they have Olympus stake in here. I think it's got Olympus. Olympus. Let's go. I always like to go max and bring it in. Okay. This reminds me of something very similar. It reminds you of strong. Reminds you exactly the strong. Strong, we all know is, and I made a video about this before, guys. If you haven't gotten to strong yet, oh, guys, you got to get to strong. Looks even better, to be honest. See that? Look at this. Freaking Olympus. Look at Olympus. Guys, it's popping off right now, guys. It's popping off. It's kind of at a little stable line right here. Waiting for it to break over. Yeah, it's kind of stuck up here. Waiting for it to break through, hopefully. And I think it's going to break through based upon what this is doing. Guys, pretty much, yeah. So how you get this is you go into the stake site. You go over here. You go to Sushi Swap, buy on Sushi Swap. Well, you buy Ethereum, put it into Sushi Swap, you trade it for Olympus, go over here and you stake it right there here, and it gives you back staked Olympus. All right. And as you stake it, you get back the ohms in return. And so that's current APY, 8,000%, guys. It freaking blows my mind, guys. I don't want to make the video too long, but guys, this is an incredible way to make passive income just by supporting a project like this, pretty much staking it and investing in a project called Olympus, guys. Once again, first decentralized banking infrastructure, guys. Highly recommend you check this out. Highly recommend you definitely check this out, because, guys, you don't want to miss on these opportunities. And if you don't want to if you want to get notified as soon as these opportunities come and they arise, you want to know when the next cryptocurrency is about to pop off. I'm not going with the rhythm. So if you want to know about the next liquidity pool, next yield farm, next cryptocurrency, whatever it is. If you guys want to know what the next biggest thing that's gonna make you a whole lot of money, click the link down below. Check out our little call out channel. We call it Only Crypto Fans, guys. And pretty much what it does is a team of me and a couple other people, very smart, intelligent people that have been doing crypto for a long time. And we know when the next coin is about to pop off. We know the next yield farm that has the best APY. We know the best liquidity pool. We know where to stake, guys. We're really good at what we do. So if you're interested in just getting a shortcut to what's working and you don't want to do the research yourself, because that's what we do, click the link down below. Join Only Crypto Fans. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Oops. Oh, one more thing, guys. See right there? See up there? That's the top. I'll see you there.